6:47 right now. Let's go ahead and toss over to Carson Meredith. I'm not talking about the happiest of forecasts.
Yeah, hot and possibility of some stormy weather, possibly.
Possibly.
It's all in the waiting game this afternoon, guys. Where will those storms pop up? Yesterday, they popped up right over Huntsville. Today, they can pop up anywhere. Just a 20% chance today, though. A lot of us remain dry and very hot. Now, I've showed you some of these symptoms when it comes to heat exhaustion, heat stroke earlier this week. I want to remind you once again, because the longer this heat stays with us, the more of a toll it will take on our bodies. So let's talk about heat exhaustion first. That's where you start to sweat quite a bit. Your skin becomes a bit cool and you may start to see some muscle cramps. If that happens, that's very treatable. Just get inside, somewhere air conditioned, drink plenty of water. Worst case scenario, maybe take a cool shower as well. As far as heat stroke is concerned, that's a bit more serious situation, obviously. You stop sweating completely and you may lose consciousness among several other symptoms. So if you start to see or notice anybody that has those symptoms, call 911 immediately. And again, the longer this heat stays with us, the more of a toll it is going to take on us. And unfortunately, these 90s and triple digits are not going anywhere. This morning, it's actually a comfortable start to the day. Temperatures hovering around 70 in most spots. We've got crystal clear blue skies on the Way 31 Skycam network. We'll stay dry for the morning hours on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. But very similar to yesterday, there's just enough fuel in the atmosphere. Well, there's plenty of fuel in the atmosphere, in fact, to maybe have one or two of those showers and storms during that peak heat of the day this afternoon. Otherwise, a lot of us are just going to bake once again. 97 is that forecast high, but when you factor in that humidity, it'll feel more like 108 this afternoon. This goes without saying, but that UV index is in the extreme category once again. Could get a sunburn in about 10 minutes today on top of those heat exhaustion concerns too. Trash Pandas somehow, despite those storms around Huntsville last night, got that game in. First pitch tonight, as always, 6:35. You can watch it over on this TV, 31.6. Temperatures still in the low to mid 90s by 6 o'clock this evening with the stray storm still around, and then those storms wind down past sunset. Still 83 degrees by the end of the game tonight. We do have some improvements just in time for the weekend. Yes, it is still going to be warm in the lower 90s, but we'll have much less humid air settling in by Saturday and Sunday. So if you can, I would hold off on any yard work or garden work outside until Saturday or Sunday. Here's future radar. One or two pop-ups by 4 o'clock this afternoon, not too terribly widespread. Those downpours are gone by sunset. Quiet start to your Friday morning, and we'll have a bit higher coverage of those showers and storms tomorrow afternoon as that cold front moves through. Those storms continue through Friday evening. They wind down after midnight, and then that much cooler, comfortable air settles in. Now look at the 7-day forecast. We are still in the low 90s Saturday and Sunday, but not too humid. But look at next week. You think this week's hot? Wait till next week. 96 Monday, 98 Tuesday, and 100 degrees. The actual air temperature forecast for next Wednesday. It'll be the first time in 3 years that we've hit the triple digits in Huntsville.